Hey guys, here with the break of Upper Deck Series 2, just came out today. Was excited to go and pick it up, couldn't wait for my shipment to come, so I went to the local store and picked one up. Let's see how we do here. So you got pretty much the inverse of the Young Guns, some update cards in here. You could also get pretty much O-Pee-Chee updates, there's the rare O-Pee-Chee signatures, just a lot of stuff like that. It's just getting the tape off here. Let's see what we get in this. Series 2, usually I'm not too excited for it, but this year it should be good. A lot of Leaf rookies, as I'm a Leaf fan, as you can see. I'll start top left, right, bottoms. Just do it that way because I like to see the distribution after I open a couple boxes, if there's something in common. I'm sure some of you appreciate that. Alright. So first up, we got a Drake Cagula, Marquee, rookie. So there's 6 Young Guns, I believe, that come per box, and 4 canvas cards. And then you got obviously these updates, and you could hit something else as well. And the portraits are rookie portraits for this one. Miles Wood. You know, this year I haven't pulled any out of 25 or any special insert ones, but they're out there. Last year I think I pulled a Ryan Miller on E-Pack, and that's it in terms of that. Alright, so let's see what we get here. We got another Marquee rookie. Travis Konecny. That is not a foil. Parallel. Okay. And we got our first Young Gun of Casey Nelson. Let's see. So this one you got your Mitch Marner and your Patrick Laine. Those are pretty much the two big Young Guns, non-canvas. The canvas one's obviously Austin Matthews is the big one. Julius Honka, Dallas Stars. And then obviously you could get the clear cuts rookies in this one, which probably highly sought after. And then obviously the high gloss in that. Oh, got our first canvas. It's just a plain canvas of Taylor Hall. Nothing great so far this box. So let's go top right. Excuse me, got a little bit of a cold here. An Austin Matthews canvas would brighten up my day, would warm up my life. Let's see. We got a game jersey, Upper Deck game jersey of Sam Bennett. Here you can get, I think, the 1,000-point club, and then there's also, I believe, is it Bure? Oh no, Bure's the auto out of 10 for the canvas. But there's something else. I think it's, I can't remember who it is. I don't know if it's Ovechkin. I think Ovechkin 500. The canvas of Aaron Ekblad. Two more canvases, and we're 0 for 2 on rookie canvases. And we got another rookie portrait. Anthony Beauvillier. They got blown out by the Leafs 7-1 the other night. We have another Young Gun of Brandon Tanev. So that's 2. So there's 4 more. Got another Marquee rookie update. Jake Guentzel. Try to move over. The sun is a little bright today. Probably should have done it the other way, but whatever. If you're keeping track, so far 1 Young Gun top left, 1 Young Gun top right. Oh, and here we go. We got our first Upper Deck Young Gun canvas of Jacob Larson. I actually construct a set of these. I don't normally other sets, but Upper Deck. I buy so much Series 1 and Series 2 that I might as well complete a set while I'm at it. Alright, we're going now to the bottom left. Got just an update of Thomas Vanek. I really don't care about these updates. Just the plain ones. Can make do without them. Alright. We have a Young Gun of Shane Harper. I believe there's 3 more to go. We got a Brennan Carlo Upper Deck portrait. Excuse me. So there's 1 more canvas to go and 2 more Young Guns. And then here's the last canvas, TJ Oshie. And just a regular OPG update of Kyle Okposo. A Young Gun of Stephen Johns. And we are on to our last 6 packs. There's 1 more to be had, as in 1 more Young Gun. And the rest probably portraits. Maybe I'll get extra Young Gun. Who knows? Maybe something good. I've got a Maple Leaf Young Gun. Not the one I want. Tobias Lindbergh. I wonder what's going to be in these last couple packs. Like sticking all over the place. Probably all OPG updates from here on out. Yeah, here's a marquee rookie of Nick Lappin. Got a rookie portrait of Pontus Aberg. Oh, we got an Upper Deck exclusives of Connor Hellebuck of 100. Exclusives are pretty nice. Would have been nice to get another exclusives. I did get a high gloss of Essa Lindell, Series 1. Oh, another Young Gun. Oscar Sundqvist. And last pack. Doesn't look like there's going to be any big hits this one. It's going to be probably a marquee. Or a plain old Anthony Beauvillier. And that's it. So overall, not an impressive box. Just want to count, make sure I... Oh, maybe I counted wrong. So 3, yep, so six Young Guns, plus the canvas Young Gun. Then the Hellebuck exclusives. Overall, was not impressed with this box break. But I got 3 more coming, guys, so don't worry. We'll see what we get in the last 3. Anyways, thanks for watching.